goodness me. All right, Domain, this is the kitchen. I'm super excited to show you this one, and there's lots to talk about, so come with me. So the first thing that had to go in this kitchen was the lip. It cut off any sort of functionality when I had friends over and just made it really disjointed between the lounge room, dining and kitchen. I got Robin Wilson, who built our carriage house in Kyneton, to come down, rip the bench out and replace it with this gorgeous green terrazzo bench. Now, I've never done anything like this before, and so I really had to lean on Mum, because I just thought it was like, let's send it off and go, but not so much.
Tone of the stone is being sorted right now.
All right, so you've probably got to know me well enough by now to know that I wasn't going to just settle for a white fridge, right? Anyway, I saw this green retro style fridge, but it's brand new, and I had to have it. The only thing was, it changed the whole trajectory of the house, which is how my bedrooms ended up brown and orange, because that was originally what I had in here. Still TBC as to like what we're gonna do with the kitchen cupboards. I just wanna wait and see once I have the kitchen bench in, if this color will hopefully go, but it also is throwing a bit too much red, I reckon. You might notice that I have actually kept the kitchen cupboards. I was thinking about getting rid of them originally, but once I painted the floors white, I noticed that actually they looked great and all I needed to do was change the handles. Being a super saver like I am, these pink tiles are actually the pink tiles from the bathroom at my work. And I just had this thought one day. I was like, I reckon they've got some spares. Doing renovations, it means you're constantly leaning on friends and their skills. And it just so happens one of my really good friends is a wallpaper installer. Who would have thought? I bought this vintage wallpaper, which is incredible. And to be honest, I didn't even know where it was gonna fit when I bought it, but I just knew it had to be in the house somewhere. I would say a big tip is measure twice, cut once. She said to me when she got here, babe, there's not enough wallpaper. And I was like, no, there is. Anyway.
We've got that much wallpaper.
That's all we've got left? Lo and behold, we got to the corner and she's like, we're not gonna make it. We ended up just cutting out the wallpaper. And as you can see, it's a really solid color over here. But then when we get behind me, it sort of starts to peter out. It's because we cut it. But I think it's kind of worked out for the better, right? It would be a good idea to have an electrician come in and check all of your appliances, especially if you don't know how old they are, because I had a kitchen fire. Insert dishwasher sponsor here, because that has blown up. Can you believe the first soiree I had here ended in a house fire? But it wasn't from my cooking, it was from the dishwasher. I had 2 fire trucks here pulling my dishwasher out over my freshly painted floor and putting out the flames on my balcony. Oh my goodness me. Anyway, I just want to say thank you to the fire department. And my third tip would be get insurance, health and contents insurance, because you never know when you're going to be in a sticky situation. What I'm still yet to replace is the oven and stovetop, but they haven't broken or caught on fire yet, so that can wait. What I'm really excited to do now that I finished renovating is actually have all the friends over that helped me and entertain them in this space. Wait till the next episode, I've got a massive reveal for the lounge room.